In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Klarna account securely. Whether you prefer the mobile app or a web browser, the process is quick and I'll guide you through each part so you know exactly what to expect. First, open the Klarna app on your phone or go to the official Klarna website in your browser. Make sure you're using the genuine app from your device's app store or typing the official site address directly into your browser to avoid lookalike pages. A stable internet connection helps prevent delays when receiving verification codes, so connect to reliable Wi-Fi or ensure you have good cellular signal. Next, choose your country or region and select Sign In. Picking the correct country ensures you're routed to the right version of Klarna for local features, currencies, and support. If you're traveling, it's still best to select the country where your account is registered to avoid hiccups. Now, enter the phone number or email address that's already linked to your Klarna account, then tap or click Continue. Klarna uses your contact details to verify you. There's no password to remember here. Double check for typos before continuing and use the contact method you can access immediately. If both your phone number and email are linked, either one works. After that, check your messages for a verification code. This may arrive by text message, email, or WhatsApp, depending on what Klarna sends at the moment. These codes are time sensitive, so open the latest message promptly. If you don't see it right away, wait a moment, refresh your inbox and look in spam or junk folders. On your phone, ensure notifications aren't silenced for texts or WhatsApp and that you have a data connection. For your security, never share this code with anyone. Klarna will not ask you for it in a call or a chat. Once you have the code, return to Klarna and enter it exactly as shown. Be careful with similar looking numbers and avoid extra spaces. If the code has expired, simply request a new one and try again. After the code is accepted, you'll be signed in and taken to your account where you can review purchases, payments, and available features. And that's it. You're now logged into your Klarna account. If you want to keep things seamless next time, consider staying signed in on a trusted device and always keep your contact details up to date so codes reach you without delay. Thanks for watching and enjoy your secure, hassle-free login.